we are born and live for a purpose, and each one of us has different feeling, aim and goal. In our society, usually we are asked to compromise over the things which you do not have, lost or cannot get it in life. When it is said that let's compromise it, it means you are asking yourself to lower your expectations you have from many things, which is not always a right attitude towards your life. It may prevent yourself from making effort to get your goal or desired things in life by compromising on all circumstances. Love what you have before life teaches you love what you have lost. Whatever you have in life is a blessing from the God and you deserve to have it. In most of the time, we ask ourselves to compromise many things for others. But here you need to learn a life free of compromise by loving what you have without agreeing to leave it for others. Most of the people may call you selfish for such attitude, but remember, there is not always necessary to kill your inner self or heart by compromising what you have or love. Instead, be grateful and do not allow others to grab it from you in the name of compromise. Sometimes you need to do things which is against your wish. And if you do so, you become the functioning member of the society, but you will not become a free and happy individual. Never compromise your dreams because you never meet the expectations of each one of us with you interact. Life is a gift from the God and we all get it just once. So it is the right of each one of us to live it for ourselves. Often people may call you selfish, but remember one thing. If you live the life for others by compromising your happiness, can always leave you with empty feeling. Sometimes we compromise so many things in the name of compromise. We often compromise our passion, our dream. Like we compromise in our job because of attractive salary, even though it is against our expectations or passions. If a life is full of compromises, then it will misery. Life is meaningless if it leave it for others. Instead of set your dream and expectations high and try to achieve with various effort, and you will find pure happiness which you deserve. Till then, stay awesome, stay productive.